Keeping your home comfortable during Michigan's cold winters and warm summers is a year-round priority for Warren homeowners. While insulation, windows, and HVAC systems all play an important role, one of the most common, but often overlooked, sources of energy loss is your exterior doors. Even small gaps or improper installation techniques can create drafts, increase heating and cooling costs, and make your home feel less comfortable. That's why proper door installation is essential. When done correctly, it creates a tight, secure seal that prevents unwanted air transfer and helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Here's how professional door installation protects Warren homes from drafts and heat loss. Tight, even sealing around the door frame. One of the biggest causes of drafts is an uneven or poorly sealed door frame. If the door isn't aligned correctly within the opening, gaps can form around the edges, allowing outside air to seep inside. This is especially problematic during Warren's harsh winters, where cold air infiltration quickly makes indoor spaces uncomfortable. Professional installers ensure proper alignment of the door within the frame, even spacing around all sides, secure anchoring to prevent shifting, a tight, uniform closure every time the door is shut. This precision eliminates the small but impactful gaps that can cause drafts and energy loss. High-quality weather stripping. For superior insulation, weather stripping is your home's first line of defense against air leaks. Over time, old weather stripping becomes cracked, brittle, or compressed, losing its ability to block outside air. A proper door installation includes replacing outdated materials with modern, high-performance weather stripping. Effective weather stripping helps prevent drafts around door edges, block cold winter air and hot summer air, reduce indoor temperature fluctuations, improve overall comfort in every season. For Warren's temperature extremes, fresh, correctly installed weather stripping makes a noticeable difference in comfort and energy efficiency. Proper threshold installation to stop airflow at the bottom of a door is one of the biggest problem areas for drafts. If the threshold is misaligned or worn out, air can easily enter underneath. Proper installation ensures your threshold is secure, level, and positioned to create a consistent seal. A correctly installed threshold blocks air infiltration, prevents moisture and snow from entering, reduces heat loss at floor level, enhances your door's overall performance. Professional installers also adjust door sweeps to complement the threshold, ensuring full protection from bottom edge drafts. Insulated door materials enhance thermal performance. Today's replacement doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Proper installation ensures these features perform at their highest potential. Many modern doors include insulated cores, thermal breaks, foam-filled interior layers, energy-efficient glass inserts. However, these advanced features are only effective when the door is installed correctly. Any gaps or improper sealing will diminish the insulation benefits. Professionally installed doors retain more heat in winter and block heat transfer in summer, reducing your reliance on HVAC systems and lowering energy bills. Preventing warping, shifting, and long-term gaps. Improper installation can cause doors to shift, sag, or warp over time. This movement creates new gaps that lead to drafts, moisture infiltration, and reduced energy efficiency. Warren's seasonal temperature changes and humidity fluctuations make homes especially vulnerable to shifting frames if the installation isn't done professionally. Expert installers prevent these issues by securing the door with high-quality fasteners. Reinforcing the frame is needed, ensuring the door sits plumb, level, and square, using expanding insulation foam to seal gaps inside walls. This long-lasting stability keeps your door performing efficiently year after year. Reduced energy bills for Warren homeowners. By eliminating drafts and improving insulation, proper door installation reduces the strain on your heating and cooling system. With less air leakage, your home maintains a stable temperature without constant HVAC adjustments. Homeowners experience lower monthly utility bills, less wear on HVAC equipment, more consistent indoor comfort, improved energy efficiency. Overall, these savings add up quickly, making professional installation a smart financial investment. A comfortable, energy-efficient home starts with proper door installation. For Warren homeowners, proper door installation is a crucial step in maintaining comfort and reducing energy loss. With precise alignment, quality weather stripping, secure thresholds, and expert craftsmanship, a correctly installed door provides long-term protection from drafts and heat loss. If you're ready to improve comfort, save on energy bills, and protect your home against Michigan's unpredictable weather, investing in professional door installation is one of the smartest upgrades you can make.